Life isn't a race to the finish line. It's a collection of moments. They say the most dangerous thing in life is not having a belief, but I think the most dangerous thing is losing yourself in everyone else's expectations. Today, let's talk about how to find your own peace in a world that never stops moving. Have you ever felt that the world today is just too loud? We wake up, scroll through our phones, and immediately feel like we're falling behind. We see everyone else's success, their travels, and their perfect lives. It's easy to feel anxious, like we're running a race we never signed up for. We fear time because we think it's running out, but time is actually a shield. It prevents everything from happening at once. If you're feeling tired today, remember that even the earth needs the night to recover. Your stillness isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign of wisdom. You are gathering strength to grow in a way that is true to your own nature, not someone else's timeline. But here's the truth. You don't have to belong to the noise. Some say that without a grand faith, life is dangerous, but I believe in the power of being like water, quiet yet capable of boiling away the chaos. If you find yourself in a toxic environment or what some call a mental asylum of a home, your greatest power is to build a private room within your own heart. In this private room, you have the right to say no. No to comparison, no to forced conversations, no to the people who take more than they give. When you protect your energy, you start to see the world differently. You realize that you don't need to change the world, you only need to change how you experience it. In 2026, let's adopt a simpler way of living. As the philosopher Kai Lan said, learn as much as you can, travel as far as you can, and eat as well as you can. Life is not a grand mystery to be solved, it is an experience to be felt. Don't wait for a perfect moment to be happy. Find joy in the small things, a quiet bus ride, a delicious meal, or the silence of a late night. We often worry about getting older, but age is just a growth of roots. Love is an endless journey that doesn't cross space, it creates its own time. When you love yourself and when you are loved, you gain a sense of childishness that keeps you young even at 90. That stability is your anchor when the storms of life hit. Every dawn is an ancient way of the world reshaping itself, and every day you have the right to reshape who you are. So for this year, root deep, rise high, and live meaningfully in every second of the present. Thank you for walking this journey with me. I'll see you in the next video. Before you go, remember, you are the architect of your own silence. If you found a moment of peace in this video, let me know in the comments what your private room looks like. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep talks. Stay sweet and stay true to yourself. Goodbye for now.